Very good morning to all of you and with my elite panelists. Friends, we said that it's old habit die hards. I am being a trainer. I cannot sit on the chair while interacting with all of you. I hope so you had a good breakfast in the morning. If it is so, we are not hearing any voice. Have you heard anything from them? All of you have a good breakfast. You can speak loudly, yes, I have a breakfast. Being a trainer, I will take time from you, don't worry about it. Friends, I have seen the panelists with me. Dr. Gautam Bose from NIC, Professor B.B. Sanjay, VC Central University, Tamil Nadu, Professor Mohammad Akbar Ali Khan, BC Telangana University, and Professor G.L. Tattar, Chancellor KL University. We are expecting Dr. W.N. Gade to join shortly. He is a VC Pune University. The topic and the discussion for us, the inclusive education. To confess, I had got the two shocks in last 3 days. First one, when I got a call from the organizer's invitation to speak on a topic. And when I got a topic, I was shocked to see the inclusive education. It's a learning for me. It's a worse than a tsunami for me. And another one I got yesterday night when I asked, I have to chair the session. Two difficult tasks to perform. And when I saw the prefix of my panelists, the elite group, all are having a professor director. I am the only one without any prefix. Is it inclusive or exclusive? That's we start with that. Since we're talking about inclusive education, something we'd like that off. I'm not aware what education means for that. Since I am an administrator working for the government organization, rather we say it's Apex organization where we see the accountability of executive. And our panelists, mostly from the education, will deliver on what? I had certain postures for them. If I be permitted to have we talk about higher education, but from where we get the person from higher education? From the school, which gives us the inputs and feeding for the higher education. Can we go directly to higher education? There's a question in our mind. For me, it's a big challenge. What is inclusive education and what it should include? And that's why, to streamline the discussion, when I had given the talk yesterday night, I had to work overnight to get some points for me. I am leaving these postures for our panel discussions. If we rotate ourselves in these 4 areas, normally we ask the government to do something for us, but we forget what we have to do for ourselves. I will share some stories with you, and I remind you, or rather I warn all of you, if you won't clap after the panelists, you have to bear with me and a story every time when they finish it. Friends, I will cover my views on this part in 3 broad categories. The organization to whom I belong, the scenario, and lastly, some insight for us, my hobby part. I belong to the parliament, working for the last more than 2 decades. When the organizer asked me to come for this session, they asked me your expert area. I said everything and nothing. But what it means is that we cover everything in parliament. It's difficult for me to answer where I am having experience, and I have gained experience in the last 20 years. Because I have seen the questions, I have seen the committees. In all the areas, I have learned a lot. I am a jack of all trades, master of none. So I am not expert anyone, so I have nothing for that purposes. We have basic purpose of accountability to the executive. That's our area. in the parliament. We are doing it through the questions. And this education sector, inclusive education, we have a number of questions. But inclusive words is still like a secularism, not defined. You have heard the 4 definitions of inclusive from our learned panelists who are from education sector only, academicians. I am the only one who is a poor in education. And I want to be learning more from them how to get inclusive education for that part. That's why I started in the initiation part. I am inclusive of prefix on the panelist part. We have a committee, and luckily the organization which I belong to, Rajya Sabha, catering the committee on HRD. And we have seen so many bills coming. We have criticized, we have given the comments on the bills. Briefly, I will touch how a bill become an act. That's a basic part. None of you most knowing it. Seema, how much time we are left with that? 20 minutes? 10, 20 minutes? 15 minutes? We can skip the tea part. Okay, fine. We started 20 minutes late. We can take over the 20 minutes also. See, any legislation, any bill comes from the mechanism of the administrative ministry. That's a proposed paper. Now, if I want to eat a mango, I have to sow mango only. If I want to sow another fruit, I can't eat mango. The proposal starts from the administrative ministry. It goes to the law ministry to give a legal shape. And I have seen in my career of more than 2 decades, the bills are coming in a differently shaped. Friends, we had the constitutional amendment bills for the fundamental right to education. Article 21A, somewhere in 2002, if I'm not wrong. Mechanism for that bill or that constitutional provision to come into force has to come through a notification or a legislation, which come to us 6 years later. Is a time frame, we are following it. I'm part of a governance which is looking for accountability of the government, that is executive part. So we are raising these questions regularly from parliament forums, like the committees, the questions, but we are examining it. Because we are the person who are working behind the scene to help the members to come forward all these questions. I was in the Kabul for 2 years as a UNDP mission. And we have an international community over there. They all said that India is very good developing a plan documents. Nobody can match in word with them. And that's a fact. But they forget to include the monitoring and evaluation mechanism in the plan document itself. Friends, it's an introspection for our part. Go back, see the all 12 5-year documents. And initial part of the document and the end document after 5 years, what is the percentage of accomplishment of the task? It's less than 50%. Why? Because we have not made the mechanism to monitor, we have not made the mechanism of implementation in the plan document itself. We think later on, what happened to the fundamental right of education? Why we got the bill after 6 years? Because we have not inculcated that part of implementation in the bill itself. And I have the 3 drawbacks of my life. One, I did my LLB. And to add worse, I did my LLM also. So I have a devil's mind. I go in the different direction. That disability compel me to think something else. If you want to do something, implementable agency, the law says rights and duties go together. We had amended the fundamental right, we had given the fundamental right. What about the fundamental duty? We had not amended Article 51A. So you have no duty to perform, you can ask for a right. Can it work? I doubt about it. With these questions, what I understood from inclusive means, I had got this one. From my understanding, it needs education for all and a streamlined education. Regular classes, and the classroom has to be inclusive, that part. If we go by the legal framework, India is a part of the signatories on the universal international declarations, treaties. Again, a fundamental question over there. We signed the agreement as the executive, but when it comes to implement, we have to bring a municipal law, which never come into time. These are the certain declarations made at the level of international community, but never implemented till date. That's the implementation problem. I have given you a few insights of that. From 1948 till date, we have almost more than 12 declarations signed. But how many are implemented through acts, which has to be seen by us. I started with the school as a place where tomorrow lives. Do we have a Vedic culture of our education? I don't remind you, before Christ, 2 Chinese came not as a tourist for getting education. The Nalanda University, the Taxila University are the old universities where the education is there. Education is all about dissemination of information and knowledge. Are we doing it now or not? It's a question for our academicians to look for that, introspection for that part. Friends, I have a different perception of our equality. Do we want equality or we want justice? If we have equality, all are at the same platform, but they can't see the match. But we have to give a justice to them. We have to give a different platform to rise to see it. That one who is taller, he always remain taller. If we want to put equality, he will become a taller more. Are we doing justice to them or not? What I understood from the marginalized education or the excluded part, these are certain areas which look towards where we need inclusive education to implement. This all R&D have done in the last 3 days because I am not aware of the inclusive education earlier. And I hopefully I am trying to justify my own conscience. I am justifying this topic for the panelists or for you also. This is one of the area where I would like you to think over. Disability is not inclusive education. There are certain things which you won't know. Do you know, people speak normally. When they come to deliver a speech like me, they stammer. Is it disability? They need something more. They need treatment for that. Treatment in school to give a different attention on that part. So there are so many of the difficulties a person facing. Nobody knows about it. I heard about a story. Thank you, Dr. Gautam Bose. I will take 2 minutes more. I am following the footsteps of Professor Khan. I heard a story of a female, Neha. She is suffering from respiratory disease. She could not appear in 12th exam because of the severe, and she is confined to a room nowadays. What we are doing for her? It's a question mark for all of us. These are benefits. This is all overall development, what we mean by inclusive education in India. We have introduced the RT, but enforcement of that act, we still want to see a long way to go for that. Our concern must recognize the problem first. Don't start making a law and anything, the policy part. We are not going to the root cause of the disease. Attitude is the second part which we have to look forward. We require learning disability, the teaching ability is required. We need special educators, not the special schools, for the person of inclusive educations. Raise the standards of our education. Fundamental right, I talked about fundamental duty also. This is a story of an example of a family who had 2 kids, one daughter with cerebral palsy and one young born son. They are England. England find out that daughter has a high potential of intelligentsia at attending schools in England. And they came back to India, there is no school for them. They can go back to England again, but they stayed back. I have put a question mark in. and do something here. That means we have to look forward, not to rely on the government, what social accountability and responsibility for us to do it. Another example of a girl who topped in CA, is the daughter of a auto rickshaw driver who got 75% in CA in the first attempt itself. She was more than 75% in BCom also. Another example, we can have a IS in Delhi who is son of a auto rickshaw puller again. These are the persons with disabilities from the part of socio-economic background, and they have come forward. With this motive, I had my own hobby also, and hope so my social accountability. We have like-minded people have made a society, a fraternity to inculcate Vedic erudition and senses. Long word, it's a fives. Look for any religion, 5 word is important. 5 elements. I think Muslims have a 5 word. There's a 5 word is very important for all of us. Make a 5 and look forward to implement, not from the law point of view, from the date of delivery of a child who has some disability. Like Tare Zameen Par, the person which has a problem over there. Can we register them with an NGO and he look after that from social perspective point of view till he gets an education. Then only higher education in inclusion will be successful. This thanks on behalf of panelists. It's open to the question hour session. Anyone want to come forward? Friends, yesterday I heard in the last session, they said that from graduated from the school education to the higher education yesterday. Today we started with the higher education, and I am seeing the agenda, we are ending in the school education. So we started the sessions with the school education, we are ending with the school education. School education remains important for all of us.